Hello there! Here are 10 fun facts about giraffes. Tallest land animal. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth, with long necks that can reach up to 6 feet in length. Big hearts. Giraffes have hearts as big as a basketball. Their hearts pump blood all the way up their long necks to their heads. Spotted coats. Just like human fingerprints, no two giraffes have the same spot pattern on their coat. Nocturnal, night eaters. Giraffes only sleep for a few minutes at a time and usually sleep standing up. They mostly eat leaves from tall trees and spend much of their day munching away. Born to run. Despite their long legs, giraffes can run as fast as 35 miles per hour over short distances. Blue tongues. Giraffes have blue-black tongues that are around 18 inches long. They use them to pluck leaves from branches and even to clean their ears. Social animals. Giraffes live in groups called towers. They are social animals and enjoy being with others of their kind. Newborns on the go. Baby giraffes, called calves, are born standing up. They're usually around 6 feet tall at birth. Long eyelashes. Giraffes have long eyelashes to protect their eyes from the sun and thorny branches while they eat. Communication. Giraffes communicate with each other by making low humming noises. They also use body language, like head movements and tail flicks, to express themselves. Congratulations, little learners! See you again soon in another adventure episode. Join the fun Learn-a-thon with Mr. Egg, the master of giggleology.